This is a tutorial video on how to use the HelloNote chat feature. So on your HelloNote app, go to chat. Once you click on chat, select the user that you want to chat. If you don't have a user, the user could be a colleague or your patient. If you don't have any added, you can add one. Just click on add person to chat and then look for the person you want to chat with. For this use case, I'm going to chat with a colleague and then press enter to find your colleague and then select. Once you've added a person you want to chat with, and then you can go back to your chat and you can find the person here on the list. And then to chat with the person you've added, click on the person's name and send them a message. Hello, Mark. How are you? And then just wait for your colleague to reply. Once your colleague reply, you should see the notification here. Select the user again, and then you can continue chatting with your colleague. Aside from sending messages in chat, you could also send attachments like files, images, or you can even send a link of the current screen that you're viewing by simply clicking on this button. And your colleague would be able to access the same screen that you are viewing. If you want to end a chat, just simply close it. And if you want to get back to it, just click on the chat again. If you want to select a different person, just go back and then choose another person you want to chat with. If you receive a chat from a colleague or your patient, you would see a chat notification indicating how many messages you've received from that person. You could either see it here or in here. And that's how you use HelloNote's chat feature. See you on the next tutorial.